So I'm super hooked on this watercolor tinted charcoal idea. But today I want to add a little twist. We're going to try to see what it looks like if we spray water through the stencil and then add the tinted charcoal over top. So let's get started. Okay, let's start off with some blue here. Let's come in with our knife. Do some marks through here. Oh, start the timer. Let's come in with some more blue. My palette's a little bit of a mess today. I'm not quite sure what these colors are. We're just going to say blue because they're blue. I'm kind of working. I'll take some of this off. It's a bit messy, but it's one of those things where I don't really want to clean it because there's still a lot of good product on there, a lot of good material still on there. So we're kind of winging it with colors. So let's put some of this down. This looks like the brown haze. I'm trying to remember what I've used in the past couple days. More lines. I'm really loving these lines right now. And if they add just a really subtle, some subtle hints throughout the piece, which is nice. Maybe not so subtle. Going with a color shaper a little bit. Oh, I also have, which I bought on a whim, I also have this set of weird metallic paints in very audacious colors. So we might put some of that down. We'll see. We'll see where we're at when we keep going. I'm going to come in with a little bit of this umber. Might need a little more water on that. I'm going to be real honest that I wasn't really excited about making a video today because I was out shoveling snow this morning so I could leave the house. But if it weren't for this, our project, we have to keep making work. Well, sometimes it's just really hard to get to the studio, I know. But to me, it's important to make work every single day. Even if it's not great work. Sometimes it's not great work. Okay, I'm just going to layer this up a little bit more. I like this brown with this ochre, sorry. It's kind of moody. It's very moody. Okay, let's stop right there, and I'm gonna dry this, and I might put some more ochre over the top. So I'm gonna add in a little bit of this blue mixed with this brown. Make this sort of moody gray color. Yeah, I like that. Maybe. Got a little bit of violet on my palette. I'm going to come in with a stiffer brush. I mix it up with the yellow ochre. So trying to add some marks like through here. That's not really showing up very well. It looked better on the palette. That's all right. Just keep adding marks through here. Because you can never have too many marks. Okay. I think I'm gonna pause there and then we'll look at the stencil. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is just spritz this really quick a couple of times. Hopefully it's gonna stay there. And then I'm gonna come in with, what is this color? The moss color. Let's see if we can get something. In theory, this works, right? I mean, in theory. We're all about theory, right? I all like theory. Okay, let's put some of that violet in there as well. Can't see where the, oh, I think I'm on the tape. Okay. I'm gonna give it a little more spritz. I think I just moved the stencil. Okay. We should probably let this dry real quick, or maybe we should, let's pick it up. Let's pick it up and see, because I'm just curious. Ooh. Okay, that's pretty fun. You can see I kind of got on the tape here because I couldn't really tell where the paper stopped. Well, that's interesting. Does it need to go up a little bit into that side? I've got some, that was probably a bad idea. I don't think I'm going to use, I think I'm going to go back to just like a damp brush through there. I think that's really cool. But I think I just want to add in just a little bit more with just, because I don't want it to be all lines. I love this. This violet color is so fabulous. It really is fabulous. Okay. I need to get a less strong. I know I've been using this technique a lot, but I'm really obsessed with it. And it's kind of my jam right now. Oh, let's use the, I think I want to come, we need to keep going. Because I don't want those to just look like they're just stuck on there. I like it. I might, oh, that's already dry. was thinking I could just, might add some white in there too, maybe. Let's come in with a bit of this blue color. Actually, let's come in with something a little bit more. Let's see how, I don't know if I'm going to be able to see that there though. I've got this lighter green. That might be nice. I wanted to add some yellow, but I don't think I'm going to be able to see that. And that's just looking almost the same. You can tell that it's a little green. It's just so interesting to me. Like, it's just fascinating. Let's put down our piece of paper here and give it a little spritz. You can see how much overspray I keep getting there. Oh, that's fun though. I like that line. I like the line it made there. That was fun. Ooh, I'm gonna have to think about that a little bit more. I like being able to draw back into these a little bit. Yeah, I think this is working. I like I like how it's sort of bold, but I kind of like it. Okay, I'm going to come in with a little bit of the mountain blue. I needed a little demarcation there. Let's do a little bit with a stiff brush. I'm liking it. Let's get a little bit bolder though. Some of this blue down here too. I think we need a little bit more white. My timer's going to go off here in like any second, but we're going to ignore it. Okay. Where's my white crayon? Let's just come in. Again, this is just the Caran d'Ache Wax Neocolor 1 crayon. I could use some, oh God, gouache, but I think I'm just going to stick with this for now. So I don't think it needs too much light. I don't want to overcomplicate it, right? I mean, we don't want it to be like that feels a little too much right there. It's very dark, but I don't hate it. I actually really like it. What if we made like a, I don't know if this is the right, oh, do I have a, what am I doing? I have a white charcoal pencil. I'm not smart sometimes. This will actually probably work better because then I can smooth it out. I can even get it a little wet. Do I want to? Okay, I got it too wet. I don't want to cover up all of our lovely marks, though. That's what I'm trying not to do. And this probably would have been easier had I just preserved the white space, but you guys know I don't do that. It's almost like gray more than it is white. Because I'm getting up there in that blue. But I don't actually hate it. Where's the blue? Sort of like the energy that we're getting from these marks. Like, sort of breezy. Make them come up just a little bit more. Maybe down a little bit and up a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to be done now, I think. Okay, here we go with the matte. Probably want to bring this down just a little bit so we can see our lovely marks. I like the stencil. I think the stencil is fun. This one got a little dark on me, but I don't hate, like I said, I don't hate it. I actually love the energy there in the sky. I think it's sort of different. I like these lines over here. I love the texture of the charcoal. Again, it feels more like spray paint to me than it does charcoal, which is interesting. I kind of like the chaos down here. I probably should have put a little bit more somewhere else, but I didn't want to overpower it. But now that I know that's possible, I have a ton of stencils. Like I have a lot. But I love what's going on here. I love this area right here. And through here is really nice. Overall, I think it turned out pretty well. Different tones, but I kind of like this brown bluey color with the yellow and the purple. I think I'm stumbling upon a new palette for a minute, which will be interesting. I never thought that purple would be part of my palette, but here we are. But I love these moody colors, and I think it has a good depth to it as well. Okay, that's it for today. What day are we on? 13? Yes. Happy Valentine's Day to those who celebrate. Oh, I forgot the metallic paint. Well, we'll do that tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.